Swan dive on the ladder barrel. So your client's gonna start by facing the barrel. They're gonna lower their belly button onto the arc, slowly bringing their feet up 1, 2, and 3 to the second and third rung. You're gonna find a Pilates V. You wanna think their knees a little bit more narrow if they wanna externally rotate too much. Make sure they avoid that and they're hugging, letting their head go, finding this nice, beautiful flexion. Inhale here. Exhale, you're gonna push into your toes. Start to find that lift up through the crown of the head. Inhale as you arc back into your back extension. Now think Superman, pushing out, darting through the air, feeling the belly, find the length. Then through the low belly, you're gonna find that round flexion up and over your back. Beautiful, Neil. Inhale, pressing through, finding your dart. Superman out, shoulders, or sorry, not Superman. We're going into our arc all the way back. Now we're gonna Superman, find that length, reach, and then curving up and over, finding that flexion, reaching it down and around. Awesome, great work. To dismount, hands go on, slowly lower 1 foot at a time, and then rounding through the spine to stand up tall. And that's our swan dive on the ladder barrel.